One thing about men, you get what? Especially Aristos they go to form. Let me take care of you. I'll take care of you. They go to tell these small girls. That's why when Aristo go to tell one girl, the guy now 48, the guy now 21, because that I will take care of you. I know all these young girls, then still that youthful level energy see there. So she wants to be satisfied physically, emotionally, and pocket wisely. This guy, they give her money, they show love, but the physical, you know, the guy cannot, the guy don't hold, no action. Now one day the girl can complain, honey, what is all this? 1 minute, what is all this? You promised me you were going to show me love, it was going to be physical, what is all this? You can't even do out of 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You might say, young girl, listen, I am 48 years old, you are only 21. If I cannot satisfy you, cheat on me. Just cheat on me, don't worry. And that's rude, So, and when you come to all these girls, they toast girls. No one thing about girls, the toast girl. Girls easily walk out, come out from you. No way they toast girls. You walk to your walk out, say, excuse me. Your walk out go. You know, if you know if you hold her, you know if you stop her, because that's you they harass her. But the best girls, so if you toast, I tell guys, toast girl with a wheelchair. Relax. They don't even walk out, leave you. When you want me to get the toast time, how you doing? I beg, I should just want to hold the chair. Come, wait, I talk to you. Listen, wait, just come back. I follow you. Say, can you let me move? Say, wait first, wait. Those ones easy. You can control the movement. Wait, I follow you. I follow you talk now. Then another thing about guys also, if they spend money on chick, spend money wisely. There are some girls that are worth only mineral when you take them out. No be quarrel, more than never vex the girls. Now, if you want to spend money for a woman, the girl feel fine, but there are some packaging wey deserve more things. If you take girl come out, if the packaging no too dey alright, make she just drink only mineral or water. If she no just try at all, Mona just dance throughout. Yeah, if she try more, if they give her those kind of smell of eyes, Gordon Spark, if she try well, Baileys, if she too try champagne. I tell you, some girls go come, una know herself, una go cheat us, use fake things. First of all, you short, you go come wear high heels. Now we think say you tall. This thing no day, like they come lift them. You come like say you day. Now you don't go reach smell of eyes now. They come put all those their eyelash where they make their eye like say they beautiful. You don't reach champagne will say itself. Hair, if you no reach the levels, check the girl out. You understand? And so I go carry one girl. I know it's a mineral girl. I can't go to buy champagne because the packaging. Now this girl can't they dance. The heels can't they disturb her. She can't remove the heels. As she remove the heels, girl where they look like this can't drop small. First of all, I can't they vex, But the worst part now, all these girls where they wear, where they do these things, where they, those things where they. Una know herself. Who let the dogs out? No, but they never let the dog out yet. Those things what they do, Now two type of this thing. We have the confident one and the one we get low self-esteem. Now the confident ones, now be those ones where they say we know. Those ones where they say if you remove this thing, the thing stand. They look cute. Everything they do, they mal. This man, if he has your report, see the boss, I'll boss you. They do you now. You won't press me. You won't press me. You won't press me. But that girl, no be those kind of level. Her own, she arrange the thing don't get low self-esteem. The thing they look shoe. So she come. Some girls they vex. Now the truth that they talk. She can't pack and so the thing can't swell up for this side. So I can't they dance, And they dance with all my heart. So boy, see group. So the thing as she they dance, the thing they shake. I say that die a day this night. So as she can't they over dance, can't they dance? The thing can't go come out. Can't they? move, you know. So me self no because the club dark. Since they pass my phone, I mean, the thing go pass. I say, so the thing come as she come over dance, the two come outside. Come they hit her for back. She come say, who they touch me? I say, now you they touch yourself. So know your level, may know the one with it. Now, you get one gist where I've been young a while ago, and they talk say, I don't know what I will talk again, she had to connect with the one where I want to talk. So now about guys who they cheat on girls. It's standard. Guys who they cheat on girls, you guys should try as much as possible to respect women. You understand? No matter how it be, even if you be say you know if you control yourself and you have to cheat on your girlfriend, do it with respect. And the girls, if you catch your boyfriend, they cheat on you, express your feelings the right way. If you not catch on a boyfriend, una they subject on our emotions because of the kind girl way him they with, is wrong. If you catch your boyfriend girl, express your feelings the same way. If girl catch in boyfriend with ugly girl, her reaction is different. You don't notice if you date with girl, your girl just walk out and the girl where you date with ugly, she just walk out and say, Mark, what is this? No, what are you doing with this thing? What are you doing with this thing? What are you doing with this thing? What is this thing you have in your what is this thing? Can you leave this place? You this ugly, what's wrong? Are you drunk? Now if the girl fine, Mark, why are you doing this to me? Am I not good enough for you? Am I not good enough for you? And girls, they do that thing. My girl may catch me water. That's why I say alcohol bad. If you drink too much, can't go club, you're in trouble. If you don't carry woman go, you go carry man go out. It happened to me one time. I go go meet one man, we get beer. Come go, man, you look sexy this night. Let's go home. As I go, you go carry one get the girl belly. My girl can go catch me. You know the same thing. Bright, what are you doing with this thing? Are you okay? Are you blind? What are you doing with this thing? Are you okay? Can't you see? What is this thing? I can't look. That time my eye don't clear. Me say I can't say I fuck up. But as a man, I get to give excuse. I say, honey, I fuck up. I know say I fuck up. I know say I fuck up. I drink yesterday night. That's how I carry this thing. But like say, catch me last week with the girl I've been there with last week. If they impressed, before trip for me because the girl set die. And the truth. Now, when you talk about cheating on women, you know, guys, stop it. And it's hard to stop it because as long as that thing be our body, you must react to other things where they see. The only way that you stop that thing is if this thing they detachable. Imagine say you feel remove them, keep. Maybe they just bring one new drug. Maybe say if you take, you go feel remove and keep. Which means no man feel cheat on a girlfriend again. Maybe just tell your girlfriend, honey, I'm going to Lagos for the weekend. I have a meeting. I'll see you on Monday. Okay, have a safe trip. Okay, bye. Hey, Tony, come. You remove her. Say, honey, but no, you're not using it. Are you using it? Remove it and keep. Now, it's enough for me. Drop it. Okay, no problem. But I don't know why you're always. We'll see on Monday. Imagine her like that. You can't reach Lagos without anything. You can't call your friends. Hello? Hey, yeah, Tunde Namio. Are they Lagos? I just entered Lagos this evening. Are they stranded though? My girlfriend, she sees them. You use your own. You use them. When you will finish? Tomorrow morning. Come. If you feel borrow me just 10 minutes, I don't finish. I know they waste that. Who am I called? Solomon. No, Solomon too small. And they like. Okay, no problem. We'll go see you later now. I go wait for you till tomorrow. When you finish, I better let me know. Imagine that kind of thing. Or maybe your wife sees and can't keep for drawer. House girl can't clean house. Clean house can't see him. maybe come go look, sweetie, madam, they enjoy. Hey, madam, they try. Come no come drop am for the drawer. Come go drop am on top bed. Dog come go carry am. Your dog come carry am, come play, come go outside, come go meet the other dog, come dey play. One hold one side, the other one hold another side. They come dey play. You know say if you catch the dog, them you no fit shout. If you just see them, you say, Jack, come closer. Come, don't run. You are my dogs. Come closer. Don't run. I love you, dogs. Come closer. No. Or imagine say your madam keep am for drawer. Fire come dey burn for house. As fire dey burn, house boy come go call you. Oga. Yeah, Oga, fire. Fire dey burn for us. Where you dey burn? You don't downstairs. Now parlor you dey burn. My brother, if you run, go upstairs. Say, Oga, I feel run. Now run, go my room. Run, go my drawer. And dear madam keep something. Let me run, go there. Say, Oga, the fire. Leave the fire. Run, go my room. You know they run. Good. Run, go the drawer. Oga, they smell suya. They smell suya. From where the suya they smell from? Oga, now from cupboard. Hey, God. What tell me that? Now something boss. What in boss? Down now for girls. Now for guys. They imagine say girls will come on their own. All those when I know makes my mind they think anyhow. Imagine say girls will remove their own. You know say no guy feel rape girl anymore. Maybe girl will remove it. Now if they do that early morning jogging now. That kind of 5 a.m. you could jog. All those bad boys they want rape. I say just hey. Oh God, leave her for us. In no day. I don't say no day. Then if you want to come out with your friends, you want to go do girls' night out. You want to come out. Your boyfriend will just say, honey, you're going out. Yeah, I'm going. I want to hang out with my friends. We're back in the morning. You won't go like that. You know, go fit leave them. But the sweetest part now, no say girls, they know they trust guys most times because some guys they take advantage on girls. That time they know when they carry the thing, they come out when they get new date with new guy. They will drop am for house, can't go the date. When they come find out see the guy na correct guy, they will come they call their friend. They call their girlfriend. Jessica. Yes, I'm at Hilton now. Yeah, the piano lounge. That guy that came. The guy is nice. I swear I didn't know. If I don't, I wouldn't have kept it at home. Can you go to my house? It's in my cupboard. Bring it to the hotel, please. I need it immediately, please. No, imagine. Mona just thought. Then imagine say the one way was passed. Imagine say, say God they create people from different way. Imagine say this meat with here so. Say this meat they do anything for you. Think am now. What did this thing they do? Nothing. Which means this meat come here because of people who get eye problem to wear glasses. Not lie? Because what they is here, they inside the hole. This meat no do anything. Now imagine say they create us for different purposes. Maybe they can't change this ear now. You can't be here. Imagine now. And imagine how now they use to listen to my joke. This guy funny. Crack another one. This guy funny.